Imagine a superfood so powerful it can revamp your health from head to toe. Meet flax seeds, your new wellness ally. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Do you know about flax seeds? These tiny seeds are not just food, they're a revolution in a nutshell. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, flax seeds are like nature's multivitamin. First up, let's talk heart health. Flax seeds are like little warriors fighting against cholesterol, keeping your heart strong and beating with joy. And if you've ever felt backed up, flax seeds are here to help. Their fiber content is a game changer for your digestion, helping you feel lighter and more energetic. But wait, there's more. These seeds are versatile heroes. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or even bake them into your muffins. Easy peasy and oh so tasty. And while they're jazzing up your meals, they're also beautifying you. Yes, you heard that right. Flax seeds help your skin glow and your hair shine, making you feel as good on the outside as they do on the inside. Now, let's not forget the brain-boosting benefits. Flax seeds are like the fuel for your brain, improving your focus, memory, and keeping your mood sky high. So why not join the flaxseed revolution? Start adding these tiny powerhouses to your diet and watch as they transform your health and your life. Closing remark. And there you have it, folks. The tiny seed with a mighty impact on your health, beauty, and well-being. Embrace the flaxseed way of life, and let's seed the change together. Ready to start your flaxtastic journey?